Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be taking some of these shatterproof ornaments and I am going to be making a ornament topiary. Now I know you've seen this before. I've always wanted to do this for many years and I've never done it. And of course my good friend Liz at Traditions by the Seasons, she did hers on candlesticks, and the one that I saw that she did was when she used the napkin rings. Now, I like that idea, much easier than trying to cut anything off. Now, I am not going to be putting this on a candlestick. Of course, this is really big. The next size I have is this one, which will go here. And my top one is this one, which will go on top. And it's great to use those napkin rings. So I'm going to take that from her idea and I'll kind of show you what I'm going to be using. It's not quite done yet, so you're going to see the raw version of it. So let's get started crafting. Well, this is what I'm going to be using as my base. Right now it's holding it on there. I am really going to put it on this urn. This had a Christmas tree in it. I have two of these. And it's not going to stay black. And I'm probably going to do something different along here. Not sure yet, but works good to hold it. Now, I wish I could say that I found those beautiful red sparkly napkin rings that Liz got at Walmart. No, I didn't. I had to make these. I couldn't find any beautiful sparkly napkin rings anywhere. You can kind of see with the color of the inside. That's what it was. I just took some Mod Podge and some glitter. That's all I did. So now I'm going to hot glue this on. To the top here. And hopefully, it's hard to tell by the pattern. I'm getting it even. Even. Okay, put some more glue. I'm probably going to have to move the camera up because this is super tall here. I know you're not going to be able to see what I'm doing right now with my hand. I'm just putting hot glue on, so nothing glamorous going on here. Get this one on straight. There's that one. So let's hand up here. Now I had to take the top off of mine, the part where it hangs, because it was just a little bit too much on there for that. So get this last one on there real quick. I'm gonna hold it down. Okay, see what I'm doing. I'm just going to do it on the table there. Okay. Okay, there's that. All right, let's go up again. Oops. Knocking everything off there. I'm actually going to have to put the hot glue on here. Because this fits down in there pretty tight. And hopefully I get enough glue on here. All right. Move my lights in the way. Just gonna turn it that way. All right, there it is. Well, it's pretty tall. I guess I'm going to use this urn here. It's going to go gold. Probably just going to hand paint it. I don't have any gold spray paint, but I do have a lot of craft paint. Alright, so actually let me take the camera off the tripod here and might be able to do this better from a distance with it. So check it out here. Okay, here's how it turned out. Now I know it's kind of hard to tell in here with everything else going around. I really don't have a spot to put it. And I don't want to show off too much in the family room there. But I do like how this turned out. How about we go this way? Yeah, it's a little better. And like I said, I'm going to be painting the urn. And going to be something in between the urn and the ornament too. Okay, now I got to finish the other one. And then we'll see them both together. Well, as you can see, I got the other one done now. Now all I need to do is get my urns painted and get that little special surprise that I'm going to be doing. I'm not sure exactly what it is yet. I have an idea, but I might change my mind on it. So we'll have to wait and see. And I'm so hoping that I can get my video for you on Friday in my family room, because these are going on each side of my fireplace in there. And I'm really trying to get it done. I'm stumped on a couple areas, but I'm sure I can figure it out. And if I don't get it done, I'm not sure what I'm going to have for you on Friday. You know, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I could give you an idea of how to make a little bit bigger of a topiary with the ornaments and use them with an urn. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.